Hey y'all, I missed y'all so much. I missed doing my YouTube, but I'm so glad to be back. So I wanted to give you all a little New Year's holiday makeup look. So I started off by lotioning my face with baby lotion. That's the best thing I use. I really don't use anything else on my face. I really just continue to do my eyebrows on camera, but eventually I did stop doing them on the camera because I felt like they weren't exactly how I wanted them to be. So after I did my eyebrows, I went ahead and used my Nine Natural palette to just start on my eyeshadow. And then I patted it down a little bit. I know it was a little bit messy, but I didn't really mind because I knew that I was going to cover it up with a bunch of other eyeshadows, so it really didn't matter. And also, I already have an eyebrow tutorial on my channel, just in case you were wondering. So if you did want to see how I did my eyebrows, just go click the link and I'll leave it in the bio for you guys. Now, after I finished with that eyeshadow palette, I went back and used my Naked 3 Urban Decay palette. This eyeshadow is so beautiful. I only use it on my eyelids though. I just wanted to use it so that it can make the glitter pop a little bit more. Now, the color I decided to use in the Naked palette is called Dark Side. It's a grayish tint and it kind of just made my gold pop a little bit more. I used the same technique, just patting it with my blending brush and continuing to do that until I felt like it was enough coverage. After the Naked palette, we get to the fun part. I used this eyeshadow palette that I got from the beauty supply store from $1.99. It's actually a glitter palette, but it's really sticky and I didn't like how it looked by itself. So what I did was I just took these two colors, one an orange gold and then the other is a yellowish gold, and I just applied it all over my eyelids, just where I would apply the loose glitter. Now, after applying the sticky glitter eyeshadow, I just went back and used some loose glitter that I found at the dollar store. And being that the eyeshadow was so sticky, the glitter went right on perfectly. So I was happy that the glitter eyeshadow did end up being as sticky as it was, so that I wouldn't have to use a type of glue or anything. I just went and used that eyeshadow. Now, to apply the loose glitter, I just used the same eyeshadow brush that I used for the sticky eyeshadow, and I just applied it to my eyes until I felt like it was enough. Okay, so y'all, this is when I realized I put too much on that eye, but I did not care, so I just went back and added some more to the other eye and kept it pushing. Now here I just took my blending brush and I dusted off my eyelashes so that I wouldn't get glitter inside of my eyes. Y'all, that's my sister. Hey sis. But yeah, and then I took this marker for my eyeliner, not a literal marker but an actual eyeliner marker, and I just drew on a very dramatic wing because you know it's New Year's, so I want to be a little bit more dramatic than normal. And I literally took it all the way up to almost my eyebrows. But yeah, I just did that, and I did that on both eyes just until I felt like, you know, it was good enough and dramatic enough for the event. Now once I was done with my eyeliner, I went ahead and put some mascara on. Even though I'm going to wear my false eyelashes, I still like to put mascara on my real ones. Y'all, I literally messed up again. Like, how did I get that there? Like, come on, Amari, do better. But I did go back and fix it. And afterwards, I used my foundation, which is the Maybelline 360 Fit Me. And I know it looks so stupid doing that, but I could not find a little dropper that I used to put the foundation on. But either way, it works. And that's actually a really good foundation for dry to normal skin. Now once I got done putting the foundation on, I took the biggest brush in my set and I just used it to cover my entire face with the foundation. Now I was very careful with doing this so I wouldn't mess up my eyeshadow and my eyebrows. Now once I finished covering my face with the foundation, I just took my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut and I drew 2 triangles on my face and a line down my nose. Now after that, I went ahead and took my second to largest brush and my brush set and I just blended the highlight out. Now here I used a small brush, but then I ended up switching and using an even smaller brush because I felt like it was going to spread too much. So after I just blended that right on out on my nose to contour my nose a little bit, I just fixed it up on the sides so it could blend more with my skin complexion. I'm sorry y'all, I did not mean to say contour my nose, I meant to say highlight my nose. So that's what I was doing. I was just highlighting my nose and then fixing it up. Now here I used some eyelashes I found at the Beauty Spot store for $3.99. They're Miss Express Lash in the number M102B. And these are the best lashes I ever had in my life. Like, they are so beautiful. Look at my sister, y'all. She's so silly. But I was going to do the lashes on the camera, but that wasn't working out for me. So I just went ahead and did them off the camera and then came back and fixed them on the camera. Alright, then once I finished with my eyelashes, I went ahead and used my bronzer that I got from Makeup Forever or Makeover Forever. I'm sorry, I can't remember the name right now. But I just took that, put it on my cheeks and my nose, and then I went ahead and started on my lips. With my lips, I used a MAC liner that's in the color Chestnut. I don't know why everybody is naming themselves Chestnut. But yeah, I just went ahead and lined my lips with that. And afterwards, I went ahead and applied the lip gloss. The lip gloss I use is actually from Victoria's Secret. And that lip gloss is gorgeous. Like, I promise y'all, I thought this was going to be the ugliest lip gloss ever. But it ended up being so pretty on me. I don't know if it's because of the liner or because of I'm just cute. But yeah, I got that in the color Sultry. Now I did go back a couple times with my liner just to fix it up a little because I feel like it was too pink for the look I was going for. But it all turned out beautiful. I love you guys. I hope you had a great New Year's and stay tuned for more videos from me coming soon. Bye. So y'all, I actually forgot to give a disclaimer. This video is what I do for my makeup. I'm not a professional. This is just how I achieve my looks most of the time. This is a New Year's look, of course, because you know it's a little dramatic. But I hope you all enjoyed the video regardless, and have a great New Year's. Bye.